Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video which is about it's just like showing you what I use to record and what I use to edit and what my computer's like. It's just like a setup thing, you know. So yeah, it's not a room tour or anything. It's just, you know, just showing you what I use to record and what I use to edit and yeah. And also guys, before I start off with the video, sorry about the lighting. It's just that the sun, it's just, you know, it's a really sunny day for winter. Yeah, and yeah, so before I get on with the thing, I'm going to be showing you guys my new mascot, which is this guy. I think his name's going to be Melvin. I have no idea. I think he should be called Melvin. Tell me you guys' thoughts in the comments below. So yeah, so let's stop talking about Melvin or whatever his name is and get on with the video. So you guys, there's my computer and everything and set up. So yeah, this is where all the magic happens. Yeah. So for my desk, I've got the spinny chair. I like it. So but yeah, that's not why you're here. So what the computer I use when I record stuff is a Mac OS X. I think it's an OS X. Yeah. And I got my Xbox controller for playing Fortnite. But guys, don't tell me to play Fortnite in a YouTube video because I've tried thousands of times. Whenever I do, the whole Fortnite just glitches like heck. So yeah. Guys, when I like play stuff, I use this keyboard. I don't know what kind of keyboard it is. I think it's that. But yeah, it's very dusty at the moment. Very like, yeah. And I keep it up with these cards that I made because of the keyboard. It's like broken. The things broke off it, but you know. And yeah, when I record my facing stuff, and you know when I'm down over there recording my things, I use this. Just an iPhone 5S. Yep. My cool background on the back, and yeah, I just keep my phone in this. So sometimes when I do a face cam, I'll turn it like this and record myself just like this. So I have it there recording me. And you guys, so when I record my voice, I use my blue Snowball. Yeah, this for ages. This was well, I got it last year for my birthday. And, yeah, it comes with it. Oh, my screen just came off. Oh, there we go. And I use it on setting 3. Usually it's been on setting 2, but I find setting 3 is a bit more louder and better for making these for gaming and stuff. So I use that now, guys. I use this. Oh, it's gone dark. There we go. So guys, I use this mouse. It's just an HP mouse, and I use this screen, which is also an HP screen. I hardly ever use this anymore because it started not being very good quality. So yeah, it got that Logitech. Yeah, it said it was really good in HD, but it's really horrible, as you can see in some of my old videos, such as my 16,000 subscribers video. Oh no, my 6,000 subscribers video. Sorry. So yeah, we just got a footprint up there. Yeah, it's just a, yeah, I think it's my footprint from don't know what year that is, but anyway. And also if I'm not, and if this phone, the battery's running low like it is now, and it's like it's got no storage on it, then I use my mum's phone, which I'm recording on right now. So yeah, I also use that for when I record my Doctor Who's and things like that. So yeah guys, here I am on my computer. I'm on YouTube right now. And now I'm gonna show some of the stuff that I use on my computer to record. And yeah, so on my computer, I edit with the program Final Cut Pro. That's my previous video. Oh, it's lagging because I'm screen recording. Here we go. And yeah, so this is Final Cut Pro. I use Final Cut Pro. Obviously, like I just said, it's not Final Cut Pro X or anything. It's just Final Cut Pro. And yeah, here's something for my Doctor Who. You can see right here. Now I'm not gonna play any of it, obviously. And you guys, this is the one that I edit my YouTube videos on. Like here's the one with Zion, me and Zion on it. Yeah, yep, and this is the outro I used, obviously like this. The song's called Cloud Up, so you got this. Yeah, and yeah, the games I have is Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, YouTuber's Life, The Sims 4, and yeah, and what I used to live stream is OBS, but I can't live stream at the moment because it got my videos got. I got a strike for something that I didn't even do. I got a strike for friend abuse on my IDU video, but that I wasn't even abusing my friend in it, so yeah, I don't understand that. And what I use to screen record, like what I'm doing now, I use something called QuickTime Player here, and this is only for Mac. I'm pretty sure it's only for Mac, I think. But yeah, if you do have a Mac computer and you want to know how to screen record, this is how. So you get QuickTime Player, open it up, go to File, New Screen Recording, and you click New Screen Recording, and it should come up with a whole bunch of different stuff that you can do. So for that now, I'll just do this, and so just pretend this is a screen recording. It'll say screen recording up there, and then you click that, and then it'll come like this. There you go, and now it's recording my voice. But yeah, so that's what it's like for the, I'm going to delete that. So that's what it's like for the video screen recordings as well. So yeah, and that's what then this is the program I used to record The Sims, Minecraft, and Roblox, and YouTuber's Life. So yeah, I think that's all on the computer. Oh no, yeah, I also edit my thumbnails on Pages. Yeah, and I also use an online Photoshop thing, and I'm not bothered to look it up, but I'll leave a link in the description to it so you can make some cool thumbnails as well. And yeah. Yeah, guys, I used to use iMovie to screen record. Oh no, not screen record. Sorry, just video edit. But then, in March, I got Final Cut Pro for my birthday present, and I'm thankful for everyone who pitched in. But that was the only present I got that year. But who cares? So yeah, guys, this is back here at home, and yeah, guys, for some reason I'm losing heaps of subscribers lately. Sorry, my voice. And I don't know why. Like, I've just been losing them all of a sudden. It's so upsetting, I know, but yeah, it's just annoying. So yeah, let's just go back out of this. Now, while that screen recording is saving to my computer, I'll show you guys what else I use, what I do now. So, what I used to have before it broke, I used to have this on air sign, and like you'd switch it on and it would light up, and I used to have it hanging outside my door, but then once, I think during an earthquake or something, it fell off, and I'm really, and now I'm really annoyed at that. So yeah. And hey guys, while I'm doing this, I've got these are a whole bunch of Doctor Who DVDs, and they might be selling on Trade Me or something. So yeah, so you guys can go and buy them when they're out. I probably will make a video on it when they're out. So yeah, because I replaced all those with these box sets. So you know. Now guys, now when I record my video, I'll just get my phone real quick. Here you go, I get my phone, just put it on here. I know it's not very efficient, and then record it with me with the background like this and everything, with like Spider-Man, and then there's just some other posters on the Yawn Home and Jet art I made. And yeah, that's what I do for that. So yeah guys, that's all the normal stuff that I use. Sometimes when I film my Doctor Who's, I use a selfie stick, but this is broken at the moment, so I can't really use that. So I use a selfie stick for if I lift it up high and I want to film like when people are looking up, like yeah, like that. So, and if I want to film myself, I can just easily just hold the selfie stick like this, and you know, but pointing at me. But yeah. And yeah, I want to thank you guys all for watching this video. And yeah, remember guys, we need to find a name for this guy. I might call him Melvin, maybe. But it depends if you guys can find a better name. I think this guy's going to be our new Europe NZ mascot. So yeah, that's pretty good. And also guys, I'm saving up to get some more Sims mods. So so I'm saving up to get some at the moment. At the moment I've only got Get to Work, but I'm probably going to get cats and dogs, so we can get some cats and some dogs, you know. And yeah, I'm going to get backyard stuff because that's on sale and it's only $9 at the moment. But yeah guys, thank you all for watching. Sorry about this lighting and, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, there should be some more videos coming soon. And yeah, I've been Ewan, you guys have been awesome, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.